Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to get your PayPal money off hold and access your funds faster without any confusion. First, understand that PayPal usually puts money on hold for new sellers, unusual transactions, or to make sure the buyer is satisfied. The quickest way to release the hold is to confirm the order status. Go to your PayPal activity, find the transaction, and mark it as shipped if you sold a product. Then add tracking details if available. Once you add valid tracking and the item gets delivered, PayPal may release the funds within 24 to 48 hours. If there's no shipping involved, choose Order Processed, and the money can be released after a few days. Another method is to ask the buyer to confirm receipt of the item. When they do this from their side, PayPal often releases the payment immediately. Also, make sure your account is fully verified with confirmed email, phone number, and linked bank account, because incomplete accounts can delay release. And that's how you can speed up getting your money off hold on PayPal easily. Subscribe the channel for more videos.